Monday, August 24th, 2026. The time is 16:23. The temperature is 71 degrees. I-70 West, Vail Pass Summit. We've got a right lane closure today. Minimal traffic up here so far. A couple slower moving vehicles could cause delays, but nothing usually longer than 10 minutes to get over the pass. I believe tomorrow we've got some 20 to 45 minute traffic holds between 9 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. So heads up for that if you're traveling during those hours tomorrow. Tuesday the 25th, 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. 20 to 45 minute holds. We got some good rain yesterday. Looks like it's threatening again today, and then it's supposed to dry up a little bit on Tuesday and Wednesday with a 24% chance on those 2 days. And then we get back to a little bit higher percentages of rain, over 50% after Wednesday every day. Nice out here for a Monday. Some Mondays have been busy, but we seem to be wrapping up the summer busy season here. Some construction projects can get really busy as we head into the fall. So check out cotrip.org. Sign up for notifications for your specific area. Vail Pass is one that they allow